Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make Facebook photos visible only to you. Once you make your Facebook photos invisible to others so that only you could view them, it is very easy to do. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open Facebook app on your mobile phone and make sure to log into your Facebook profile. Tap on the three lines icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy from this menu. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down and find the Profile and Tagging section. Now tap on Who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. Proceed by clicking on See More and select Only Me. From now on, your Facebook photos will be visible only to you. Done! I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to make Facebook photos visible only to you. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.